Alright, so today we're going to be talking about quantum numbers. This is my little intro. Quantum numbers are sort of like your address. It shows where an electron is located. When we were in middle school, we were taught using the Bohr model. And we still use that, but which shows electrons in nice rings that were on a set path. And it sort of looks like this. We have one ring, and then we have another, and so on. Now we have learned something different. They are all over the place, and quantum numbers help us locate them. So if we look at the first quantum number, it is n. If we were able to relate this to your address, we would say that n is the city. N represents the energy levels of an atom, and can be represented as simple whole numbers like 1, 2, 3, and so on. The second quantum number is L. If we were to relate this to your address, we would say that L is the street. L represents the sublevels. So let's say n equals 2. So each sublevel n equals 2 has its own values. So L would equal 0, 1. Those 0, 1 numbers have their own letters. So S equals 0, P equals 1, D equals 2, 3 equals F. So you could write it with L equals 01 or L equals SP. Either way is correct. The third quantum number is ML. It shows the number of orbitals. In the address analogy, this would be your house, so it's as specific as it gets. Each of the previously mentioned values, S, P, D, F, have a certain number of ML orbitals. So S has 0, P has 3, D has 5, and F has 7. Lastly, and most easily, is MS. It shows the spin of an electron. If it's positive, it can be represented by this here line, and if it's negative, it's represented by that one. Practice. Okay, how many electrons can be in all n equals 4 orbitals? Well, if we look at n equals 4, that means that L equals 0, 1, 2, and 3. We have 4 of those numbers there. We also have 4 of these, S, P, D, and F. So we have 4 and 4. So if we add these together, that gives us 8. But hold up, each of these can hold 2 electrons. So we do 8 times 2. And that gives us 16. So we have 16. How many electrons are in n equals 2, L equals 0, ML equals 0, M5 equals 1/2? If we look back here, this can help us in some ways. We know that it's n equals 2, so that's going to be SP, but it's also 0, so that's going to be here. And that means that it is going to be 1 electron. And the spin is positive, so we put that arrow on it. And this should be you guys now when you learn something new. Thanks for watching.